Hello friends, welcome back to Learn with me. In last video we asked 100 questions and conversation, and in this video we will answer of that 100 questions. My name is Rahul. I am from Delhi. I am a student. I am 19 years old. No, I am not married. No, I don't have any children. I live in Mumbai. My favorite color is blue. My mother tongue is Hindi. Yes, I can speak English. I wake up at 6 a.m. I eat bread and butter. I go by bus. Yes, I cook daily. Yes, I follow a routine. I watch movies on weekends. I go shopping once in a week. I prefer tea. My favorite food is pizza. I study science. Yes, I am working right now. I work in IT company. Yes, I like my job. I work from 9 to 6. My dream job is to be a pilot. No, I have never worked abroad. No, I like my job. Sometimes I work from home. I have a master's degree. My hobby is painting. Yes, I love reading books. I like cricket. Yes, I watch movies often. I like soft music. No, I don't play any instrument. Yes, I like drawing. No, I don't write poem or stories. I watch TV in my free time. Yes, I love traveling. No, I have never been abroad. Yes, I want to visit Paris. Kashmir is the most beautiful place. I like hills. No, I never travel alone. Yes, I enjoy road trips. Goa is my favorite travel destination. Yes, I visited the Taj Mahal. I love Delhi. I prefer winter vacations. Yes, I have many friends. My best friend is Amit. We met in college. Yes, I like making friends. I call them or text. We watch movies together. Yes, I like parties. I meet them every weekends. Yes, I help my friends. No, I don't trust easily. I love my family. I dislike waiting. Music makes me happy. I fear darkness. Social media is useful. Yes, I enjoy new things. I can't live without my phone. Yes, I believe in love. I like silence. My biggest fear is failure. I use iPhone. Yes, I am active on social media. I use WhatsApp most. Yes, I shop online. Yes, I watch YouTube daily. No, I'm not addicted. I use Instagram more. Yes, I use email. I spend 3 hours daily. Yes, I follow some influencers. I'm introvert. Success motivates me. Life teaches patience. Yes, I wake up early. I listen to music to relax. Lies make me angry. My confidence is my strength. My weakness is overthinking. I'm a simple person. I'm proud of my work. I want to start my business. My goal is to be a successful. I want to learn guitar. Yes, I want my own company. I see myself as a successful. My dream is to travel the world. I want to be rich. Yes, I want to see every country. I want to be more confident. Be kind to everyone. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.